Most people get this wrong. They assume Freenom is just another domain registrar, but the surprising truth is that Freenom offers free domain options that come with both advantages and limitations you need to understand before using it. Freenom allows you to register domains with extensions like .tk, .ml, .got, .cf, and .gq for free. That's appealing if you're testing a project, learning web development, or running a temporary site. In my usage experience, the registration process is fast and easy, with minimal setup required. However, there are important caveats. Free domains may be reclaimed by Freenom if they become highly trafficked or violate certain policies. Renewal isn't guaranteed, so if your project grows, you might risk losing your domain. Paid domains with traditional extensions like .com or .net are also available, but at standard market prices. The surprising truth about Freenom is that while it's perfect for testing and experimentation, it's not ideal for professional or business-critical websites. Some email services or search engines may flag free domains as less trustworthy, which can affect deliverability and SEO. Customer support is available, but response times can be slow, especially for free domain users. For those planning a serious project, upgrading to a paid domain or transferring to a more conventional registrar is often a safer long-term strategy. In conclusion, Freenom is best for testing, learning, or very temporary sites. It's quick, free, and easy, but not ideal for professional use. Always plan ahead if your website might grow in importance or traffic. Subscribe for more honest web tool reviews to help you make smart choices online.